Are you creating Christmas art, perhaps to sell, or just for fun? You've come to the right place. I have 11 art styles that are perfect for Christmas art. A link to the style information and prompts is in the description area. The prompts work with Midjourney 5.2 or later, DALL-E 3 or later, and other AI art programs. Let's get started. 3D cartoon style. Anime art style. Art Deco style. Art Nouveau style. Charcoal sketches style. Clip art style. Folk art style. Impressionist style. Paper cut craft style. Victorian illustration style. Watercolor sketch style. Thanks for reviewing these unique styles for Christmas art. Give me a like to keep my channel going. I appreciate your support and continued interest. See you soon. Bye bye.